Okay, YouTube, check this out. So my Eride Pro SS, I let some dude ride my bike and he looped it and ripped my seat and smashed up my fender. He broke my steering stem, like my riser, tore up my grips. I still got to change the grips. But so I got a seat cover from Aliexpress actually, and put that on. Hey, I'm no pro upholsterer, but what I did was I put some foam underneath it because this seat doesn't have enough padding. So I get this, like, it's got some high density type foam, and put it underneath, cut it, and then put the original pad on top of it. It feels way better. It's going to be good off road. And the other thing I did was I got this part. This is for a Sur-On, and it fit, but the one on the bottom right here, I had to take like a uni bit, a step bit, and open the hole up because it was a little bit small for the power adapter. But that looks pretty smooth, anodized aluminum. Again, it was on AliExpress for like 24 bucks or something, and bolted right on, perfect. The key for it worked perfect, so that was cool. So I was all pumped about that. But yeah, got a nice bitchin' little seat for my bike, a lot more comfortable. Woohoo! Got some upgrades, kicking ass. All right, later, boys.